the Umkhonto weSizwe Party is facing growing internal turmoil as senior member Duduzile Zuma Sambudla, daughter of the party leader Jacob Zuma, launched a scathing attack on the party's Secretary General Floyd Shivambu. Zuma Sambudla described Shivambu as the worst thing that has happened to the party in a series of tweets on social media. Her comments came in the wake of a letter dated February 8 from the KwaZulu-Natal region, which surfaced on social media. The letter outlined mounting frustrations with Shivambu's leadership, citing allegations of incompetence and professional misconduct. Among the accusations leveled against Shivambu are a claim of lack of understanding of critical party functions and failure to meet key responsibilities. Notably, it is alleged that he has neglected financial obligations, including the payment of constituency staff salaries and rent for provincial office spaces. The letter stated, "Formal complaint, Secretary General's fitness for office. Revolutionary greetings. I am writing to express my deep concern and disappointment regarding the performance and behavior of the Secretary General Floyd Shivambu. Unfortunately, I have come to the realization he is not fit for the office. The reasons for my complaint are as follows. Lack of leadership. The Secretary General has consistently demonstrated inability to provide effective leadership, guidance, and direct to the organization. Poor decision-making is evident to Secretary General's leadership when he made decisions without consulting relevant stakeholders, leading to unwise choices. This is evident in the abuse of power of Secretary General leadership, where key decisions concerning constituency offices are made without consultation. Secretary General has failed to communicate effectively with constituency office staff members, members of the KZN Provincial High Command, and the caucus office of the KZN Province, which led to confusion, mistrust, and disunity. Incompetence. He has shown a lack of understanding and competence in key areas of responsibility, leading to poor decision-making and ineffective management. The issue of buses, which were supposed to transport ground forces of Umkhonto weSizwe from various regions, is evident to the point. Unprofessional conduct. The Secretary General has engaged in unprofessional conduct, including not paying the constituency staff and rents for buildings used as offices across KwaZulu-Natal. Failure to uphold organizational values. He had consistently failed to uphold the values and principles of our organization. One of the main values of Umkhonto weSizwe is advocating for is Ubuntu. The Secretary General managed to sleep at night, knowing very well that about 60 families had dark festive holidays because they were not paid. As we speak, his office is bullying constituency office staff into signing new contracts. On top of existing contracts, no payments have been made to Umkhonto weSizwe constituency staff for January month. This brings our organization's reputation into disrepute. I urge you to take immediate action to address this situation. I request that a thorough investigation into Secretary General's performance and behavior. Take disciplinary action up to and including removal from office. If necessary, ensure that the organization is led by a competent and effective leader who upholds our values and principles. I would appreciate if you could provide me with an update on the actions taken to address this complaint. Thank you for your attention to this matter. Completely yours, Mxolisi Mthethwa, Emalahleni Zone Coordinator, Abaqolusi Sub-Region. In a series of tweets, Duduzile Zuma Sambudla took a jab at Shivambu, who joined the party in August, saying she's the real co-founder of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. She tweeted, "Floyd, I'm not scared of you. Tell your minions to F off Bloody Mafikizolo's newbies." On another tweet, she said, "F you, Floyd. Worst thing that happened to the Umkhonto weSizwe Party." She added that though the party may expel her for her actions, she's okay with that, and wrote, "They will expel me tomorrow. It is well with my soul. Still, Floyd is useless." On another tweet, she wrote, "Commanders of 16 December 2023, the real co-founders of MK, I hear you loud and clear. I stand with you 100%. I will not forsake you. Submit or fight, we choose to fight. Kwanza Mkhonto, we see you. Floyd Shivambu joined the Umkhonto we Party in August after leaving the EFF and was appointed as national organizer. In November last year, he took over the position of Secretary General. His appointment was viewed as one that would contribute to Umkhonto we Party and help the party gain more support. In response to Zuma Sampula's ex-post, the party issued a statement ordering her to apologize. The statement reads as follows. Umkhonto we Party statement on the ex-post of MK member Commander Duduzile Zuma. The Umkhonto we Party acknowledges the recent public post on X made by MK member Commander Duduzile Zuma. These posts are insulting towards the Secretary General of Umkhonto we Party, constituting a direct violation of the party's disciplinary code of conduct. Such actions are unacceptable, divisive, denigrating, and offensive. They undermine the principles of unity, respect, and discipline that are fundamental to the values of Umkhonto we Party. In response, the president of Umkhonto we Party, President Jacob Zuma, has issued following directives. Commander Duduzile Zuma must have an unconditional public apology to the Secretary General, the President, members, supporters of Umkhonto we and all of the people of South Africa. She must also extend formal apologies to all structures she serves in or leads, including the Southern Caucus of the Pan-African Parliament. These apologies must be made immediately. Following an internal disciplinary process will be initiated in accordance with the Umkhonto we Party Constitution, Code of Conduct, and all relevant prescripts. Failure to comply with the directive will result in an immediate consequences, including the summary termination of Commander Duduzile Zuma's membership in Umkhonto we Party and her recall from all party responsibilities. Umkhonto we Party is a movement of the people, grounded in maximum discipline and strict adherence to the disciplinary code of conduct. No member, regardless of position, is above the constitution of Umkhonto we Party. Issued by President Jacob Zuma, President of Umkhonto we Party.
And just to give clarity so that there is no speculation, I've decided not to renew the membership of the EFF because I will join and participate in Umkhonto we Party. I am not going to speak here in Winnie Madikizela Mandela House as to what is the basis of that, because that will be tantamount to campaigning already for Umkhonto we Party. So I'm going to be actively involved in Umkhonto we Party and shape its direction and the politics that are obtaining today in South Africa. So that.
What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.